What's up guys, ThaFooGrows back with another video. We're here, this is season 1 episode 4 for my grow series, and we're gonna go over today's sponsorship, MarsHydro. Well, thank you for sponsoring their Tsl-2000 light. MarsHydro, I'm gonna show their name again. This is their light they sponsored me with. It's a 2x4 light. And I'm gonna go over some features it has while showing you guys my grow. The MarsHydro Tsl-2000 is a solid full spectrum LED grow light packed with features for indoor growers. It delivers a strong light output with high efficiency of 2.6 lumens, pulling around 300 watts while covering up to 3x5 foot for veg and 2x4 for bloom. It's perfect for 4 to 6 plants in a tent or a small room. The spectrum includes extra red and infrared 660 by 665 lumens and 730 by 740 lumens to boost flower and overall plant health. It comes with a dimming knob. Let me show you guys the dimming knob. As shown right here, I have it set around a little bit over 75. And then you control the brightness, plus a daisy chain right here to hook it up to your pole. The sleek design includes a built-in reflective hood to spread light more evenly, and a detachable driver that helps keep heat away. As seen right here, this heat sink keeps the heat from getting too hot in here. It runs silent and cool thanks to its aluminum body. It's a plug-and-play, lightweight, and built to last over 50,000 hours, making it reliable and easy to use. Options for grow at any level. It's easy to set up. I have a review on this. So shout out to MarsHydro once again. And let's go over today's grow. What's up guys, ThaFooGrows. July 6th, I defoliated this. So I'll be back in a couple of days and show you guys how everything looks. I took most of the big leaves out so all the buds can get light, as you can see. And I'll be back in a couple of days showing you guys how it looks. Show how it's looking right now. I just defoliated them. If you guys like the series, please like and subscribe and continue showing support. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon. If you guys want to win some free seeds, just support, like the video, and I'll be back in a couple days showing you guys how these turn out. They're starting to flower up. Most bud sides, you can see white hairs on most bud sides. And this one's Frost Banger by 4-2 Fast Buds. This one is starting to flower up as well. American Gangster by 1-2-3 Fat Buds. July 8th, here's an update. The buds are forming, getting bigger. You see the white hairs. This is an auto flower. These both are auto flowers, and they're big auto flowers. Stay tuned for the legacy seed giveaway. I'm giving away 5 packs, so stay tuned for that. Today is July 9th. Little update for you guys. The buds are forming quick. As you see, they're starting to stack now. did amazing after the defoliation. You see it got straight back to being bushy again. This one too, same one, same thing. They're getting taller now. This one's getting taller. Buds are also starting to form on it. This one's American Gangster by 123 Fat Buds. Frostbanger by 420 Fast Buds. So this is a little update for you guys. These are my other rows. This one's doing amazing too. This one's growing a little bit slow. I'm not sure why. I don't know if I stunned it or something, but this one's the same thing. This one's ice cream cake, and this one's the same ice cream cake. I planted them on the same day, and this one's way bigger than that one, so I'm not sure. But hopefully it gets a boost back up pretty soon. And yeah, this is a little update for you guys. Be back in a couple days. So they're starting to flower up. I did defoliate them yesterday or 2 days ago, I'm not sure. So I defoliated them twice within and the buds are starting to show more, as seen. They're starting to bud up. This one's Frostbanger by 4.2 Fast Buds. This one's also starting to flower up. This one's American Gangster by 123 Fat Buds. And these, I added some bud clips to both of them, and they are growing outstandingly. I also topped this one right here, as seen. I think I'm going to top this one too pretty soon. This one is starting. This one was growing slow, but it's now growing pretty good. This one's ice cream cake. This one's permafrost, and this one's ice cream cake. So these are all feminized seeds, and these are both autoflowers. So we hope you guys like this series. I have seeds coming in to give away from you guys from my seed sponsorship, Legacy Seed Co. They gave me some seeds to give away to you guys, so stay tuned for that. Within 2 weeks I should start doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that if you guys want free seeds. And these are my grows. So hope you guys like the series. Continue watching. Thanks for the support. ThaFooGrows out.